am ChuChu. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos. ChuChuTV surprise! Hi, Mr.Harlo.
Welcome back, little friends. So happy to have you back.
Wow, that's a gift box.
Yep, it sure is. And we are going to see what's inside it. Let's go ahead and open it up.
Wow, there are so many eggs.
The eggs here hold a surprise each.
Surprise! Let's go. Pick me. Thank you.
Shall we open the white egg?
Open. 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 Surprise! What is this, Mr.Harlo?
A lung exerciser. Place this tube in your mouth and breathe in. As you inhale, the 3 colorful balls will go up. You must inhale in such a way that all the 3 balls reach the top. Like this. Hold it for a few seconds and then breathe out. Your lungs will expand and you will be able to improve your breathing.
Wow, that's wonderful, Mr.Harlo.
Let's say it again, shall we?
A lung exerciser. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the bright pink egg, Mr.Harlo?
The bright pink color is called magenta.
It looks so majestic. Let's open it up. Open. 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 Surprise! A bubble blower.
Blow out the bubbles, kids. This will also improve your breathing.
Let me try. Me.
That's good. Let's say it again, shall we?
A bubble blower. Pick me. Thank you. Let's open the gray egg, shall we? Open. 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 Surprise! A boat! Yay! We'll make it float on water.
Let's say it again, shall we?
A boat! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open this blue egg. That's a green egg. It's blue. No, it's green.
Don't fight, kids. Both of you are partly right. It's a greenish blue color called cyan.
Ooh, cyan. Let's open it up.
Open. 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 Surprise!
A skipping rope! Yay!
Skipping is a good exercise for your legs, shoulders, and arms. Let's say it again, shall we?
A skipping rope! Thank you! Let's open the golden egg!
Open. 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 Surprise!
A football! Yay!
Kids, kick this ball one by one and see how far it goes.
Sure, Mr. Harlo.
That's good! Playing football helps in strengthening your leg muscles. Let's say it again, shall we?
A football!
Great going! Now, tell me, what all did you learn today?
This is what we learned today, Mr. Harlo. Lung exerciser helps to breathe in. Bubble blower helps to breathe out. A paper boat which floats. Skipping is a good exercise for your shoulders and arms, like paddling. Playing football strengthens your leg muscles by constant kicking.
Yes, and when you are good at all these exercises, you can easily learn to swim.
That's great, Mr. Harlo. We sure would like to learn swimming.
Come, let's go to the swimming pool to see how the Cutians learn to swim.
Hurrah! Thank you, Mr. Harlo. 3 little kittens wanted to swim, but they did not know how to swim. 3 little kittens wanted to swim, but they did not know how to swim. They went to a tutor to learn to swim and learned from him as to how to swim. Learn, learn, learn. Learn and learn to swim. Learn, learn, learn. Learn and learn to swim. 3 little kittens wanted to swim. First lesson was to learn breathing. Head out of water takes the air in. Bubbles the water, blowing air within. Take it in. Blow it out. Take it in. Blow it out. 3 little kittens wanted to swim. Second lesson was to learn floating. Held the ledge and tried floating. A little while later was floating. Float and float. Float like a boat. Float and float. Float like a boat. swim. Third lesson was to learn paddling. They paddled with their hands while floating. Felt good that they could move floating. Paddle and paddle. Paddle with the hands. Paddle and paddle. Paddle with the hands. 3 little kittens went out to swim. Fourth lesson was to learn